In the name of Allah Almighty, who is most beneficent, the most merciful, this video is about different multinational pharmaceutical brands from different countries. Sanofi from France, Novo Nordisk from Denmark, GlaxoSmithKline from United Kingdom, Merck from United States, Sinopharm from China, Roche Pharmaceuticals from Switzerland, Regeneron Pharmaceuticals from United States of America, Eisai from Japan, Bayer Pharmaceutical Division from Germany, Amgen from United States of America, Novartis from Switzerland, Biogen from United States of America, Abway from United States of America, Pfizer from United States of America, Sinovac from China, AstraZeneca from United Kingdom, Moderna from United States of America, Novartis from Switzerland, Janssen Pharmaceuticals from United States of America, Thermo Fisher Scientific from United States of America, Eli Lilly from United States of America, Abbott from United States of America, Lonza from Switzerland. Hope you enjoy this video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Have a nice day.